last time I did this, it cut off, but what I did, found another way to get stand up McDonald's LPS. And I did it, and burned it, but the most effective way is to hold it over a candle. As you can see, I did it, and it's kind of black. And it should just, like, burning the plastic gets it all flexible. Hold on, I need to hold it. I need to hold it more. Okay, you can see it's black. So it should. Ow! It's hot and I burned myself. Okay, I got it off. Just throw that away. And now you take some scissors, and you just cut that plastic right off. Ow! See, when plastic burns, it's really flexible. I can just sand that right off on some concrete. Whatever works for you.